Good morning, students. So, welcome to the second part of our topic, Oliver finds happiness. So, let us discuss about the part 2. So, now the doctor said, "Let me think," the kind hearted doctor said. For some moments, he looked thoughtful. Then he asked, "Can we trust the servants to say nothing about the boy?" So, this line is total saying by the doctor. So let me think means doctor said let me think about the incident, and after thinking sometimes he looked thoughtful to the boy, and the doctor said, "Can we trust the servants to say nothing about the boy?" So now doctor is saying to the ladies, can we trust? So means students here, trust means can we believe the servant. So here servant means who? Jael. Who? Jael. Jael the servant name. Now Mrs. Smelly told him, "Yes, of course. They will do as I told them." "Good," said the doctor. Now Mrs. Melly said to the doctor, "Yes, we can trust the Giles because he will do as my words." But first of all, let us hear what the boy has to say when he wakes up. So the ladies, the Giles, and all the doctor, they they were waiting for his wake up. For his wake up means for the boy's wake up. If we find him innocent, we will help him. But if we find that he is guilty, then we must hand him over to the police. Do you agree? So doctor said, "Don't worry, so let's wait." So we have to wait till his wake up. So after his wake up, we have to ask about the boy, or we have to investigate about the boy. If the boy is innocent, then we can help him. If the boy is not innocent, if the boy is a thief, then we have to hand over to the police. But the two ladies readily agreed. The two ladies readily agreed, for they were sure that Oliver was innocent. So suddenly, Mrs. Roach, and Mr. Millie agreed to the doctor. Why they will agree? Because they had known that Oliver was a innocent boy. So that the two ladies agreed to the doctor. So let's come to the next. Oliver slept on for many hours. In the evening, when he woke up, he was very weak, but he was anxious to tell his story. Students here, anxious means very much interested. Very much interested. The ladies wept as they heard of his miserable life. So, students here, miserable means unhappy. What? Unhappy. So what was happening? So when Oliver wake up in the evening, the Oliver started saying his story, what was happening to him. So after listening the story, the two ladies, Mrs. Dial, Mrs. Melly, and also Doctor, they started wept. So students here, wept means past tense of weep means Rona. They did their best to comfort the boy. Oliver slept that night with a smile on his lips. He found he had found a home. So finally, Oliver stayed there happily because he got the love and care of the Mrs. Roach as Mrs. Millie. Understood? So let's come to the next. When the police came to ask questions, Mr. Giles and the Brittles were ready with their story. So what is the meaning of that? Brittles here is another character, you can say that another member of that family. Oliver had accidentally wounded himself while playing with corn. He had nothing to do with the robbery. The housebreakers were two evil-looking men. The servants with the help of Dr. Laston, told their story well. The police believed them. Oliver was left in peace. So when next day, when police came to the house, Mr. Giles and Brittles, they started their story. Here story means they had already planned what to say to the policeman. Okay, so according to the instruction of Dr. Laston, they were ready to speak the story or to say the story before the police. And they said that Oliver was a very innocent boy. Okay, he wounded accidentally when he was playing, means when Oliver was playing at that time, he wrongly or he accidentally wounded. Accidentally means you can say mistakenly, okay, but he had no any urge, or he had no any urge to robbery. But another two men, they were come for the robbering. So, listening all the story, the police also believed to the Mr. Giles and Brittles, and in that night or in that day, Oliver also was left in peace. So, left means here past tense of live. Okay, so left in peace. So, peace means शांति, शांति से रहने लगा कौन? Oliver. Now last is Oliver found love and kindness. You know that indeed Mrs. Millie and Rose loved the boy. So why when Oliver found the love and kind or find the love and care from the Mrs. Rose and Mrs. Millie, so he felt very secure at that home and also he felt very happy. So did kind-hearted Dr. Laston. So here it means Dr. Laston also was a kind-hearted doctor, very kind doctor. At the beginning of spring is you know that season, the Mellies took Oliver to their house in the country. So here house in the country means there was a house, you can say the garden. Okay, so house in the country means here it's one type of garden. There, the fruit trees were in blossom, the garden and the fields were full of flowers. So when Millie took Oliver to the garden, he saw there were so many flowers blossoming, were blossoming. Oliver had never known such peace and such happiness. So before that, what was happening to the Oliver? Oliver was a very poor boy and also very innocent. But every time Oliver was suffering unhappiness, suffering under some unhappiness, means he had no happiness in his life. So when suddenly he got everything, he got the kindness, he got the love and care from the Mrs. Millie and Mrs. Rose, so that he felt very happy. Last is every morning Oliver went to an old gentleman who taught him read and to write. So every morning Oliver also had gone to an old man. Why? Because for the reading and for the writing. He went for walks with Rose and Mrs. Millie. So you know that Mrs. Rose and Mrs. Millie both are very kind-hearted person. So every morning when they were walking in the morning, they were also taking Oliver with them. In the evening, they sat together and talked. In the evening, they sat together, means Mrs. Rose, Mrs. Giles, and Oliver. All the three, they were sat together and they were talking each other. A Rose read aloud to them. Rose read aloud to them. Rose read aloud them means they had the beautiful conversation and read aloud they means Rose also, Mrs. Rose also, he helped and he was helping about the reading, also writing part, and also he was helping on the conversation. Often Rose played the piano and sang. Often, Rose played the piano and sang. Old Mrs. Melly loved to listen to this. It means when Mrs. Rose started singing and also started playing the piano, the Melly, Mrs. Melly was feeling very much happy. Feeling very happy at that time. So did Oliver. So did Oliver means Oliver also was feeling very happy. Every night he slept peacefully in a clean bed in his own room. So every night Oliver slept peacefully. Why he slept peacefully? Because he got the new home, he got the new room, and he got the mother affection, he got the love, he got the careness, he got the good food, and he got the well dressed. He also got the education. So finally, Oliver got everything. So in the end of this story, Oliver find happiness. Do you know? Do you understand the story? So this means Oliver finds happiness. This is the meaning. Why Oliver finds happiness? After a long suffer and after a long journey of unhappiness, finally Oliver got happiness and Oliver got everything from the Mrs. Roach and Mrs. Millie. So it's a very nice story written by Charles Dickens, who was a great novelist in our English literature. So thank you, students. Hope you enjoyed this story. So any doubt about the spelling or meaning can contact me, students. Thank you.